Have you ever wanted to buy something at a bakery in English, but got stuck because you didn't know what to say? Maybe you hesitated when ordering bread, asking for a pastry, or even asking about ingredients.
Small shops like bakeries can feel tricky because it's fast-paced and you want to sound natural. Today, we'll practice a real conversation so you can order confidently, understand the staff, and even ask questions if something isn't clear.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident visiting a bakery and speaking real-life English.
Wow, it smells amazing in here. I love the smell of fresh bread in the morning.
Me too. Okay, let's imagine we're ordering something. I'll be the customer first.
Hi there, good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. Everything looks so delicious, I'm not sure what to choose. Could you recommend something?
Of course. If you like something sweet, our chocolate croissants are very popular. Or if you prefer something savory, the cheese and herb rolls are amazing.
I think I'll try the chocolate croissant. Can I have two, please?
Sure, 2 chocolate croissants. Would you like anything to drink with that?
Yes, a cappuccino, please. Actually, could you make it with almond milk?
Absolutely. 1 cappuccino with almond milk. That's no problem.
Thanks. Oh, one quick question. How fresh are the pastries?
They were baked this morning, so they're very fresh.
Got it. Perfect.
Great. That will be $9.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Your order will be ready in just a few minutes.
Perfect. I'll wait over there. While we wait, I want to ask about something. Sometimes I see gluten-free on pastries. What does that mean?
Good question. Gluten-free means the food doesn't have gluten, which is a type of protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. Some people avoid it for health reasons. You could say, "Do you have any gluten-free options?"
Ah, that's useful. I'll remember that.
Here's your order, 2 chocolate croissants and your cappuccino with almond milk.
Thank you so much. Everything looks perfect.
Enjoy!
I will. Quick tip. If you're not sure how to ask for something, you can say, "Could I have?" or "I'd like." Both are polite and natural.
Yes. Let's try another example. I'll be the customer this time.
Hi, good morning. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I'd like a loaf of sourdough bread, please.
We have small, medium, and large. Which size would you like?
I'll take the small one.
Of course. Sliced or unsliced?
Sliced, please.
Got it. 1 small sourdough sliced. Anything else?
Yes, 1 raspberry tart. It looks so good.
Great choice. For here or to go?
To go, please.
That will be $12.75.
Here's the payment. Thank you.
Thank you. Your bread and tart will be ready shortly.
Perfect.
Here's your sourdough and raspberry tart.
Thank you so much. It looks amazing.
Enjoy.
So, visiting a bakery in English isn't hard. And remember, simple phrases and a smile go a long way. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Communication is more important.
Right. Practice these short conversations at home, and soon you'll feel comfortable ordering anywhere in English.
Absolutely. Let's review what we learned. Polite ways to order. I'd like. Could I have? Words for freshness and dietary options. Fresh, gluten-free.
And don't forget to use gestures and smile. It helps make the conversation feel natural.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe, and share it with friends who are learning English.
Thanks for practicing with us today. Keep speaking, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now. Enjoy your pastries.